In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a high-converting product recommendation quiz for your online store. A great quiz can guide shoppers toward the right products, improve their experience, and help you capture valuable leads at the same time. But for it to work well, it needs to feel easy, trustworthy, and relevant from start to finish. First, make sure the quiz is placed somewhere customers can easily find it. If people have to search for it, many of them simply will not use it. Put it in a visible location on your store, where it feels like a natural part of the shopping experience, rather than something hidden away. Next, match the quiz's fonts, colors, and overall design with your store. This creates a seamless experience and helps the quiz feel like an integrated part of your brand. When the design is consistent, customers are more likely to trust the quiz and continue through it. It also helps to give the quiz a professional, outcome-focused name. The title should clearly communicate what the customer will get from taking it. A strong name sets expectations and makes the quiz feel useful rather than gimmicky. As you build the quiz, keep it simple and follow a clear sequence. Each question should logically lead to the next so the customer never feels confused or overwhelmed. A smooth flow makes the experience feel faster and more intuitive. Make sure the questions are easy to answer. Avoid anything too technical, too vague, or too time-consuming. The goal is to help customers respond confidently without needing to stop and think too hard. At the same time, keep the number of questions reasonable. If the quiz is too long, people may drop off before finishing. A shorter, focused quiz usually performs better and keeps engagement high. When it comes to results, recommend only a small number of highly relevant products. Too many options can reduce clarity and make the recommendation feel less helpful. A curated result feels more personal and more actionable. You should also personalize the final recommendation using the customer's answers. This is what makes the quiz feel genuinely tailored instead of generic. Reflecting their responses in the outcome helps build confidence in the products you suggest. If it makes sense for your strategy, collect the customer's email address at an appropriate point in the experience. Then connect that information to your marketing platform so you can follow up effectively. You may also want to offer a discount after the customer completes the quiz. This can encourage immediate action and help turn interest into purchases. Before you publish, test the entire quiz on both desktop and mobile. Check that it looks good, works smoothly, and is easy to complete on any device. A final review like this can make a big difference in performance.